Hey, John Wilson here from high-ticket-affiliate-coach.com, and welcome to this video on how to make a one-click upsell. So we're going to cover how to do that quickly and easily without complicated tech, and in just a moment I'm going to show you one type of upsell that you should never use unless you want to see your conversions tank. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Now I'm going to do this demo in a bit of software called ThriveCart. It's awesome. I've been using it in my digital product and coaching business for years, and I love it because you can use it to host your digital course and sell it as well, and it's really easy to use for non-techies. So here we are inside of ThriveCart. I've clicked the products button here and it's showing us the products that we have. Now I've done a product for our main product, a demo product here, and now we're going to create a product for the upsell. It's kind of similar to doing for the main product, but it's very, very quick and easy. So we're going to go to the upsells. We're going to create an upsell. It's going to be digital, and we just want to put in a name for it. So that name will appear in the invoice. This name will appear on the in the ThriveCart interface, and all of these are done using wizards. So you just click next and it takes you through all the stuff that you need to do. Now it's just going to be a one-time fee. You obviously can have split pay, subscription as you wish, and it's just going to be unlimited quantity because it's digital, and we're going to make this a $200 upsell, and we're going to have no trial period on that, so it's fine. We don't want to bother with any tracking. We're not going to bother with affiliates, and we're done, I think. So this is just information that you put in for the success page so that the customer knows what they're downloading on the success page. So let's put some info in here. Okay, so we've done that, and we'll just click next. And this is where you would put in a rule. So for example, to add them to your email list, which can be useful. I won't do that in this case. We'll just click save, and we're done. Our upsell is ready to use. So we'll just click continue. Okay, so now that's created, what we want to do is go back to products and open up go into our demo product. So you'll see here we get edit funnel. So we just need to click edit funnel of our demo product. So now we're in the funnel page for our demo product. We just need to click enable the sales funnel, and down here we can configure our upsells and downsells. So let's find our demo upsell. That's the one that we want here, and we're going to edit our upsell page. So we need a page to send customers to for that upsell in the sales funnel. So let's do that now. Okay, so it's basically added pretty much everything we need automatically. Now for your upsell page, it doesn't need to be as detailed as your sales page. You just need either a short bit of text telling the customer what you have to offer them, how you're going to deliver extra value to them, and the benefits of that value. And you can do that via a video. You can drag a video, put a video in here, or you can make text on there as well, or either or. Okay, so once you've done that, you just have to save changes. Okay, we're back on the funnel page, and we now just need to click save sales funnel. Okay, and now this is our link that we need to send people to for the main product. So let's just check it out, see what it looks like. And here's our main sales page. It's an imaginary product about intermittent fasting, and it's got a video on there. And here we are on our upsell page. So the customers just checked out, and they're being presented with our upsell. Now, if you have if you put in a video, you'd obviously see that in there, but this is just the basic form that we're seeing right now. And this is a one-click upsell. So in order to upgrade the order and add this upsell to our order, we just click the green button here. If they don't want it, they can click the blue link there, but if they want it. And here we are on the success page. The order was successful in test mode, and this page is just the basic one. You can obviously put a video on there, you can put a thank you video on there, and here is how we access our purchases right here. So I said I'd cover the one type of upsell you should never use. Now, I learned this from Russell Brunson years ago, and that's to never have the upsell be about the same topic as the main product. So for example, if your product is about real estate deal negotiation, then don't make your upsell advanced real estate deal negotiation. And the reason for that is that when somebody's buying your product and they buy something about digital product about real estate deal negotiation, then they've kind of had that itch scratched. You know, they've ticked that box, and in their head that problem is solved for them. Okay, and if you then present them with something else that's pretty much about the same thing except maybe advanced, then they're very unlikely to take it because they've already kind of ticked that box in their head saying that they have a solution to that problem. Okay, so instead what you would do is make it some kind of new opportunity. So instead of being advanced to get deal negotiation, make it a new opportunity, still related to real estate. So make it like, commercial real estate investing, for example, or maybe multifamily homes or something like that. So that is all about that. So what do you think of Russell's advice? Will you be changing your upsell as a result? Let me know in the comments below this video. Now, I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels and sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. And ThriveCart is the solution I found for that, and it really is awesome. Now, if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today through my link in the comments below this video, then I'll give you access to a couple of exclusive bonuses for free, and you can see those bonuses by clicking the link. But certainly for sure you'll get my own digital product about digital courses. It's called Digital Course Formula, and it's all about how to create and launch your own digital course. So click that link and find out what else is in there. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a subscription product in 5 minutes and 3 genius stick strategies to stop your subscribers falling off. So you can watch that now here, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications before you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. God bless.